Angels in the Nursery is the concept by Dr. Alicia Lieberman, where she explained that when parents uh, overreacted in the situation when their children misbehave, so the healthcare providers or parenting coach can help parent understand and making them aware that the reason that they overreact, the reason they use punishment, threatening, or hitting or beating their children in that moment is not because they are bad parents. Is because they have had so many bad memories stored in their body from their own childhood. So helping them being more aware of their reaction, and helping parents, telling them that in a normal parenting 70% of the time parents mistake, helping parents how to forgive themselves, helping parent how to be kind, and helping and making parents more aware of the strengths and the reason they sometimes overact, because they care about those children, their children, and they want them to do better. So when we make our parents more aware of those strengths, we are helping our parents become angels in the nursery.